What's up everybody, Jarek here from Furious Technology. Today we're going to take a look at the Dream Rotating Projection Lamp. There are two ways that you can use this lamp, one with the cover and one without the cover. The picture that you see on the box here is without the cover. This is what's going to give out the stars and the moon and sort of like a planetarium type theme to your bedroom. So I picked this up on Amazon and let me tell you, this thing is actually pretty cool. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So right off the bat, you see the lamp itself, you see the paperwork, and you see the little cable. This is the cover that I was telling you about. On the bottom, you can see that you can put 4 AAA batteries in. You can, as I mentioned before, you could take the cover on and off. This is what's going to give the lamp feel, as well as the planetarium feel. On the front here, you'll see the power source. You also see letters A, B, and C. This will determine how you operate the lamp. So if you want just a monochrome type display, you press button A. If you want more of a planetarium type theme, you just take the cover off and you press button B. If you want the planetarium feel and you want the lamp to rotate, you press button C. With the lamp itself, there are 3 ways that you can power this on. The 4 AAA batteries. You can also use the cable that the lamp comes with to plug it into your laptop or your desktop computer. Last but not least, you can use any wall adapter. Use the USB slot for the wall adapter and plug it into the wall, which is what we're going to do tonight. We're also going to go test out the planetarium theme of the room. We're going to dim all the lights and we're going to see how cool it is. Let's get right into that. Okay, so here we are in my daughter's room, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to test this lamp out. So as you can see, this is the night light feature of the projection lamp. Let's go ahead and test out the planetarium feel. Okay, so this is the planetarium feel, and I gotta say, this is actually pretty awesome. So this is what the room is gonna look like with that lamp turned on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this out with a bunch of colors. This is the blue color of the planetarium feature of the 360 projection lamp. Let's test out another color. Now this is the red color. And this is the green color. And this one here sort of has a mixture of all the colors together. You see your reds, your blues, your whites, etc. And this one's also another really cool theme. You have your greens, your reds, your whites. And this is also another really cool theme. You have your blues, your greens, your whites. So as you can see, the projection lamp plays with its 4 little LED lights that are built into it and gives off various different themes. Now this is gonna look much better when you have it on a flat surface at the top. I don't have a long enough cord for that, so I wanted to show it to you somehow, just to give you an idea of what it's gonna look like and what it could look like. It even displays it on the roof here, so it kind of gives your child something to look at when he or she is going to sleep. That's it for the unboxing and review of the eCandy 360 projection lamp from Amazon. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.